Hello and welcome. I am Niabas Bernard from Team TechDom, and today we will be looking at Python constants. So, what are constants? Constants are simply fixed values that do not change during program execution. We basically have two types of constants. We have the numeric constants and we also have the string constants. Numeric constants consist of numbers. In this example, we have print 22 and we have print 14.2. So if I run this code in Python, the value will remain 22. It's not going to change. Same thing with 14.2. String constants use quotes. It could be single, double, or triple quotes. In this example, I have print codehouse. Codehouse is enclosed in double quotes and print TechDom is enclosed in a single quote. Let's run this code in our interactive Python console and see what we get. Okay, for the first example, I have print and 22. Now I'm going to hit enter on the keyboard and I have 22. So this value here does not change during the execution of this code. It's still going to be 22, so that value is fixed. That's why it's called a constant. So this is a numeric constant. Let's try the other example, which is 14.2. Now I'm going to press enter on the keyboard and I get 14.2. Now let's see the string constants. I have my print function. Now I'm going to use double quotes and codehouse. Codehouse is actually a software company in Eket, Nigeria. So I'm going to click enter or press enter and I get codehouse. This is a string and the value it's returning back is codehouse. Let's try for single quotes. Single this time. We're going to use Team TechDom. I'm going to hit enter on my keyboard and I have Team TechDom. Okay, that's it for this video. We've learned about constants in Python and we've seen the two types of constants, which are numeric and string constants. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to this channel. See you next time.